has no official information yet about the impeachment complaint against the President. Nonetheless, I was able to hear some information from my colleagues regarding this impeachment complaint. And if this is official already, as soon as it is included in the order of business, and soon enough will be referred in the Justice Committee, rest assured that the Justice Committee is ready to receive the impeachment complaint.
Ma'am, the rules that will be implemented ay yung nasa SC decision?
Well, the feedback that I got is it is filed by a private individual and sponsored by a House member. So if that is the case, this is not actually the rule, which is the subject matter of the decision of the Supreme Court. Yung naging subject matter po ng decision ng Supreme Court pertains to an impeachment complaint filed by at least 1/3 of the House members. This one is different. Kasi based on feedback, it is filed by a private individual sponsored by a House member, which therefore calls for the referral by the plenary to the Justice Committee for there to have a process of initiation.
Focus through lang po sa process. Like ngayon, i-refer po ni Section Shelo, yung natatanggap na po nila, ilang araw po bago nga po maipadala sa maisalang sa order of business, natanggap na ng Speaker's Office.
As far as I can recall, what is provided under the rules from the Office of Section, it has to be referred to the Office of the Speaker immediately, and then there is provided a period of 10 days from the Office of the Speaker to the plenary, and then as far as I can recall, also 3 session days for referral to the Justice Committee, where the Justice Committee is expected, of course, to conduct a hearing to see the sufficiency in form and substance of the impeachment complaint.
Kailan magsisimula yung bilang ng session days?
Well, by session day, 26 pa tayo magre-resume, di ba? But of course, it is all up to the Office of the Secretary General, no? We are not in the proper position to comment on that. We will be acting on the impeachment complaint in our capacity as the chair as soon as it is referred to us by the plenary.
Ma'am, yung sa referral ng Speaker, is that 10 session days or just 10 calendar days?
What
or
I
10
understand
working days?
is 10 days, no? But let me double check that, no? But it is 10 days that is provided
10
under
session days.
10 session days that is provided under the rules. As soon as we get the official information, we will be making our official statement on this impeachment complaint.
Ma'am, pero medyo malamig po sina DS Puno dun sa impeachment, ano po, and then sabi rin niya ay parang nagbago na rin kasi yung rules of impeachment lalo sa naging decision ng Supreme Court. How it will affect yung DBBM impeachment?
Well, it actually a judgment that rests upon the individual members, no? Ito po ay pagbobotohan both in the plenary and in the Justice Committee. So, what is material here is the individual